So I was sitting like somewhere and a good friend of mine sent me an Instagram video. Someone had made suya chicken wings and they used one secret ingredient. And I was like, seriously, I have to try this. And the very next day I did. That's the video I'm bringing you today. Yes, street style suya chicken. You don't want to miss this. So in a bit to mimic the taste of what the abuchis sell on the streets, these are the ingredients we are going to be needing to season our chicken. And for this recipe, I'm using chicken thighs. So in the multicolored bowl, I had some peanut butter or granite paste. I went in with some suya spice and then followed it up with onion, ginger, and garlic paste. Of course, for these three, you can use the powder forms, okay? And I'm going in with some chicken seasoning and salt, and I'm adding a bit of heat with some cayenne pepper or powdered pepper. This brand is pretty hot, so I thought to use just a bit. And then I'll go in with some oil. So in the video I watched, he used granite paste and granite oil. So I'm sure it's just in a bit to enhance that flavor, okay? Because you know that the base of the suya spice, I mean, if you don't know, I'm just telling you, the base of the suya spice is granite powder. So the granite paste and or the peanut oil will enhance that flavor. With this mixture, I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then I'll pour it over my chicken, which I've cleaned nicely, and then massage the spices or the marinade into it. So usually when I don't steam my chicken before frying, I like to use a fork to poke some holes in there so that when I add my season, it's able to marinate it properly. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And do turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos in future. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. Also, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below when you're done watching, and share my video as well so it can reach a wider audience. Once this is done, I'm going to cover and leave to sit while I fry some yam. So I had these yam chips in the freezer, so it's straight from the freezer into my hot oil. Yes, that's what I'll be adding to my suya chicken, okay? And when I was frying the yam, I remember that the boys were going to be back from school any moment from that time. So I had to buttress the yam with some kiliwili. My kiliwili was already pre-seasoned and was also in my freezer. So I picked it out and then went straight into the hot oil. Let me take this opportunity to also announce that you can follow me on all the other social media platforms as well. I'm on Facebook, X, formerly Twitter. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. Find all those links in the description box and let's vibe over there as well. So while still frying my yam and my kiliwili, I went ahead to put my chicken pieces into my air fryer. But before then, I'm going to sprinkle some more suya spice onto my marinated chicken. Of course, with this recipe, you can use your oven, but please don't come for me, but don't fry. You can use your charcoal or your coal pot as well, and that would be great as well. I also went ahead to prepare some coleslaw. So just grated carrots and then finely or thinly sliced cabbage, added some mayonnaise, give it a quick mix, and then it went as a side for my street style suya chicken. And if I tell you how much the boys and I enjoyed this, you will not believe this. You better give it a try and give me feedback because that peanut butter or granite paste, or if you have peanut oil, it's a game changer. Trust me, moving forward, I am always going to make my suya chicken this way. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share once you're done watching. And see you in my next video. Keep blooming.